So again, this video is twice the speed. We're going to make some layers. So we're going to hide what we don't want to see, and then we're going to go into the blockout module, name the upper, create an offset. We've got 0.2 and voxel remesh at 0.2. And leave this, that we're going to engage a few tissue undercuts, so we don't need to block out anything. Then we're going to do the same with the lower, apply the offset and voxel remesh. Then what we're going to do is we're going to select it, go to the splint module, make sure it's called target model, and then we're going to draw the pencil line, a layer. By clicking on extrude, we can then simply left click all the way along. Fuse it at the end, trim it, and clean it. Select your layer thickness. Remember, this has to be double thickness, so 5mm would be 2.5mm thick. Here we're smoothing it. Think of it like having laid down a piece of wax or something, and with a little mini flame or Bunsen burner we're cleaning it up. Let's set it to 0.3 voxel and then give it a different color. So that concludes our first layer. We're going to do the exact same thing for the upper. Next, we're going to create a posterior palatal seal. Make sure the target model is selected. Go to the splint tubes. Click on draw tube and make sure it's selected. Then E to extrude and left click to place it down. So if that happens, you know that the menu was engaged earlier, the extrude menu, so click on that edit so we can correct these vertices. So make sure that it does in fact engage into the model. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go Control A on the keyboard. First A to select all, Control A, move your mouse to make it a bit thinner. Then in the item menu, we're going to go look for the X value, the radius, and slide that along a little bit. And then we're going to go down to the cutting tools. And no, first we're going to voxel remesh this. I'll set this at 0.2, apply that. Then go to the cutting tools. Select your target model, that's the object being cut. Select your tube and apply. And then we can delete this object. Go to the model designer, look for the sculpting tool. And then smooth down one of the edges. And that's basically what we would do with a denture anyway in a lab. It's looking good. Exit. And then the target model, draw your line across all the way. And do exactly what we've done with the other opposing arch. We'll set this to 5, accept the thickness, smooth it a bit. And that sort of concludes it. Next, we're going to exit, voxel remesh, finish. If you do want to pull the layer down, make sure the snap is off and the proportional editing is on with the mouse wheel, and then just pull it. If you want to link the colors, go Ctrl L on your keyboard and then link the materials. So this video basically concludes the layers. In the next one, we're going to put a few teeth in.